Good morning to all. Now consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Okay. Now, as I told you in the class that trigonometric ratios are defined according to the acute angles. By considering acute angles, we can define the right angle means trigonometric ratios. Here in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. So therefore angle A plus angle C is 90. That means angle C is less than 90 as well as angle A is also less than 90. Okay. Now, since these two angles, angle A and angle C are acute angles, we can consider any one of those two angles for writing the ratios. So I am considering angle A. So I am defining the ratios, or I am writing the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle A. And you can write with respect to angle C also. Now, with respect to angle A, BC is side opposite to angle A and this is side adjacent to angle A, and this we know hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the side which is quite opposite to angle A, and AB is the side which is opposite adjacent to angle A. Now, the first ratio is side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse, which is BC by AC, and we will name this one as sine A. The first trigonometric ratio is sine A. So how can we define sine A? Side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Okay. Now, next second one, side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC, which is named as cos A. Which is named as cos A. Okay. Next one, third one, side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A, which is BC by AB tan A. So these are the main ratios, main three ratios, the first three ratios. So children, kindly learn the ratios in an order, like this only. Side opposite to angle A by side hypotenuse, side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse, side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. So first one is sin A, cos A, tan A. So this is the order. Next, their reciprocals. That is what? Hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle A, side opposite to angle A. AC by BC. AC by BC, which is known as cosecant A. Hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle, side opposite to angle A. Hypotenuse by side opposite to angle A. Only 38 students are joined. Only 38 students are joined. Why? Next one, hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle A, which is known as secant A. Hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle A, known as secant A. Okay. Next, last one, AB by BC, which is cotangent A, reciprocal of this one. Reciprocal of this one, side adjacent to angle A by side opposite to angle A, which is known as cotangent A. So, 6 ratios: sin A, cos A, tan A. And reciprocal of this one, cosecant A, reciprocal of this one, secant A, and reciprocal of this one, cot A. Okay, na? 6 trigonometric ratios. So according to this, we can find out. So what is the use of trigonometry? What is the use of trigonometry? Why we have to learn? I'll tell you one thing. Children, first you have to by heart all these 6 ratios. By heart all these 6 ratios. So, as I told you in the class, we can find out the heights and distances. Heights and distances of those which we are not able to find out manually. For example, big buildings, we can find out their heights. Trees, mountains, depth of sea, width of river, and all these. Where the human efforts fails, there the trigonometry helps us very lot. So, suppose if I know one of the sides and one of the acute angles, one more important concept is, if I know one of the sides of the right triangle and one of the acute angles, I can find out the remaining 2 sides. So that is also possible using trigonometry. Once again, if I know one of the sides, one of the 3 sides, any one of the 3 sides, any one side out of 3, and one of the acute angles, I can find out the remaining 2 sides by using trigonometry. Trigonometric ratios. So we will see this problem only. Okay, na? No. Now first, we will go ahead with the basic problems. We will go ahead with the basic problems where the trigonometry. Suppose there is a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is equal to 12 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters. Find the third side and also write all the trigonometric ratios. This is the question. There is a triangle ABC, right angled at B, okay. And AB is given 12 centimeters, BC is given 5 centimeters. We have to find out AC, third one, and we need to write all the trigonometric ratios. This is the first basic question. So in order to find out AC, we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Is that right? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square, BC square, 144 plus 25, 169. So AC is 13. Is that right? 13 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters. Now we know all the 3 sides. Is that right? Now, first write. So write the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle A. Write the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle A. So sin A, side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, 5 by 13. 5 by 13 we cannot simplify it, because highest common factor of 5 and 13 is 1 only. So 5 by 13, 5 by 13 only. Now cos A, AB by AC, side adjacent to angle A, by hypotenuse, 12 by 13, tan A, side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A, 5 by 12. So these are the three main ratios. Okay. Now their reciprocals. Cosecant A 13 by 5, secant A 13 by 12, cot A 12 by 5 directly. That's all. Because cosecant A is a reciprocal of sin A, secant A is a reciprocal of cos A, cot A is a reciprocal of tan A. Okay na? Right. Now we will see one more problem. Same triangle ABC, right angled at B, and BC is 20 centimeters. Um, 24 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Find the remaining trigonometric ratios. Find the AC first. Find the AC first. Then write all the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. Write all the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. Okay, children. Now, apply Pythagoras theorem. Root over AB square plus BC square, 100 plus 576. AC is root over 676, 26 centimeters. 26 centimeters. Now sin A. No, not sin A, sin C. Because we are writing the ratios with respect to angle C. Writing the ratios with respect to angle C. So sin C. Okay. Sin C, side opposite to angle C by hypotenuse. Side opposite to angle C by hypotenuse, 10 by 26, which is 5 by 13. 10 by 26, which is 5 by 13. Next, cos C, side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse, 24 by 26, 12 by 13. Simplify, you say? On simplifying, we will get 12 by 13. Is that right? Next, tan C, side opposite to angle C, side opposite to angle C by side adjacent to angle C, BC, AB by BC, 10 by 24, so this is 5 by 12, 5 by 12. Okay, children. Now, reciprocals. Cosecant C, 13 by 5, secant C, 13 by 12, cot C, 12 by 5. See, once you find out the main ratios, Once you find out the main ratios, Arush Vikram, you are late. You are late for 15 minutes. No, 20 minutes. There is a problem in the mobile, that's why it is shaking. Don't consider it. Okay. So are you able to see that or not? Is it not clear? So one more model. Yeah. Now, triangle ABC, right angle at B, okay. Sin A is equal to 5/6. Sin A is equal to 5/6. That is given. And we need to write the remaining trigonometric ratios. So consider a right triangle. Right angle at B. Sin A is given 5/6. That means we need to write the ratios with respect to angle A. Okay. Here we don't know the sides of the triangle. We know the ratio. We know one of the ratios. Sin A 5/6. We know one of the ratios. Okay. But we don't know the sides here. So what we have to do? Sin A, we know it is BC by AC is 5/6. So BC we can consider as 5K and AC as 6K. BC by AC is 5/6. So consider BC as 5K and AC as 6K, where K is a common factor for both the numbers, for BC and AC. So this will be 6K, this will be 5K, and we need to find out this one using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. 36K square minus 25K square. AB square is equal to 36 minus 12, 11K square. So then AB will be root 11K. So this will be root 11 times K. Okay na? Root 11 times K. Now, cos A. So we know all the three sides now. We know all the three sides. We can find out the remaining 5 ratios. Is that right? Sin A 5/6. Now cos A. Side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. Root 11K by 6K. Let K get cancelled. Root 11 by 6. Cos A. Side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. AB root 11K, AC 6K. KK get cancelled. Root 11 by 6. Next question. Tan A. Side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. BC by AB. That is 5K by root 11K. KK get cancelled. 5 by root 11. 5 by root 11. Now we got all the three. Sin A, cos A, tan A. Can we write the remaining three? Can we write down the remaining three, children? You write it now. What is secant, cosecant A? What is cosecant A? Cosecant A. Cosecant A, 6 by 5, good. Secant A, secant A, 6 by root 11. Cot A, root 11 by 5. Root 11 by 5. Okay na? Yeah. Next question. Yes. Now there is a triangle PQR, right angled at R. Right angled at R. Triangle PQR, right angled at R. Tan P is equal to tan P is equal to 5 by 10. Let it be 1 by 2. Tan P is 1 by 2. And write the remaining trigonometric ratios with respect to angle P. First, there is a triangle PQR, right angled at R. Right angled at R. Tan P is given 1 by 2. Tan P is given 1 by 2. Okay. Tan P is given 1 by 2. Find out the remaining trigonometric ratios with respect to angle P. Ask. Ask. P, Q, R. Right angle at R, na? So tan P, that means with respect to angle P, is 1K by 2K. 1K by 2K. We need to find out PQ first. First find out PQ. వంశిగా కొల్లూరు సైన్ అనేది ఏం లేదే అట్లాగే సైన్ అనేది ఏం లేదే సైన్ పి అయితే ఉంది సైన్ లేదు there is no sign. I told you clearly. Sin is equal to 1 by root 5. What is sin? is equal to root over 5k. Apply Pythagoras theorem. PQ is equal to root over 5k. Now, sin P 1k by root 5k, 1 by root 5. Cos P 2k by root 5k, 2 by root 5. Now we have all the three, sin P, cos P, tan P. We have all the three, na? Sin P, cos P, tan P. Now cosecant P, root 5 by 1. Secant P, root 5 by 2. Cot P, 2 by 1. Cot P, 2 by 1. లోపల సెన్సర్ ఏదో పోయింది, అందుకనే ఊగుతుంది. బాగా ఊగుతుంది. చూడు, పాత తీసిన వీడియోలు ఊరికి వస్తున్నాయి కనబడుతున్నాయా, లేకపోతే ఈ వీడియోలు తింటేనే అసలు. Write the ratios with respect to angle Q. What is sin Q? What is sin Q, children? What is sin Q? 2k by root 5k, 2 by root 5. Cos Q, 1k by root 5k, 1 by root 5. Tan Q, 2k by 1k, 2 by 1, which is 2. Now what is cosecant Q? Cosecant Q, root 5 by 2. Secant Q, root 5 by 1. Cot Q, 1 by 2. Reciprocals, na? Once we wrote the first three, the remaining three is easy to write. Is that right? Now take out your textbooks. Take out your textbooks, children. See the first question. Exercise 8.1, first question. There is a triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB 24, BC 7. There is a triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB 24 centimeters, BC 7 centimeters. And what we have to find? Sin A, cos A. And second one, what we have to find out? Sin C, cos C. Yes. Do it fast. Triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB 24 centimeters. AB 24 centimeters. BC 7 centimeters. First you have to find out AC. And then you have to write sin A cos A, sin C cos C, these values. Fast. I see 58 students joined and now there are only 43. I think they don't know it that I am going to continue this class tomorrow in the school. I am not going to repeat this one. Parents, kindly ask your word, join the class immediately. They are not taking the classes seriously even in the school also. That's why they are not getting marks. Yes, first find out AC, children. Find out AC. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square plus 7 square. So you will get AC 25. Now what is sin C? Sin A cos A. Sin C cos C. Sin A cos A, sin C cos C. That means you have to write the ratios, the asked ratios. Not everyone. Whatever the ratios that were asked over there, you have to find out those only. Sin A cos A, sin C cos C. First sin A, sin A, BC by AC, 7 by 25. Cos A, AB by AC, AB by AC, 24 by 25. We cannot simplify those. We cannot simplify. Now sin C, AB by AC, 24 by 25. Cos C, BC by AC, 7 by 25. Now children, here you can observe A plus C is 90 degrees, na? Angle A plus angle C is 90, na? Okay. So when what we call those two angles whose sum is 90, right? What we call those two angles whose sum is 90? Complementary angles. Very good. Now observe this. Whatever the value we got for sin A, which is same as cos C. Sin A value 7 by 25, cos C is also 7 by 25. And cos A, sin C. We got the same values. Is that right? So what we can conclude, if A plus C is equal to 90, sin A is equal to cos C, cos A is equal to sin C. Tan A is equal to cot C, cot A is equal to tan C. Cosecant A is equal to secant C, secant A is equal to cosecant C. This is what we have to understand. Note down note down this one. It is very much helpful to you in solving the problems. If A plus C is 90 in a triangle, if A plus C is 90, then sin A is equal to cos C, cos A equal to sin C. Tan A is equal to cot C, cot A is equal to tan C. Cosecant A is equal to secant C, secant A is equal to cosecant C. Okay na? Next question. Next question, children. There is a triangle PQR, right angled at Q. This is given 12 centimeters, 13 centimeters, and what you have to find out? Tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Can anyone say without solving the problem this answer? Any one of you can say without solving the problem what is tan P minus cot R? 0. Very good, very good. Good. Because P plus R is 19, eh? P plus R, tan P, angle P plus angle R 90. So tan P is equal to cot R avutundi kada. Tan P is equal to cot R. So their difference is 0. Now find out the value. What is tan P? What is cot R? Tan P. So by after Pythagoras means applying Pythagoras theorem, we get this one is 5 centimeters. Is that right? QR is 5 centimeters. Now tan P 5 by 12. Cot R, that is also 5 by 12, which is 0. Tan P 5 by 12. Cot R is also 5 by 12. Okay, na? Next question. Fifteen cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A secant A. Sin A secant A. So consider for this question consider a right angle triangle at B. Right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Your third question, you do it on your own. Who said that? Bhashita. So you mean to say I have to say all the problems? So from this, cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Na? Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Now consider a triangle ABC, right angle at B. Cot A 8 by 15. Cot A 8 by 15. Find out hypotenuse. Then sin A secant A. Fast. Sin A secant A. Vanshika, why you kept angle A in the brackets? So AC is equal to root over 225 plus 64. 289, 17. So AC is 17. Sin A 15 by 17. Secant A hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle A. 17 by 8. Not 18, 8. 17 by 8. Nishan. Okay, na? Kaushik is not there in the class. Next, secant theta is 13 by 12, and we need to write all the trigonometric ratios. Secant theta is 13 by 12, we need to write all the trigonometric ratios. So what is this theta? Theta is, see, generally in trigonometry for unknown angles, we'll assume it as a theta. Unknown angles, we'll assume it as a theta. Suppose there is a right triangle, okay, ABC, right angle at B, and we don't know these two angles, angle A and angle C, we don't know, but they are acute. So we can consider any one of these two as theta. I can consider angle C as theta or angle A as theta. Okay, na? Angle C, angle A, angle C, angle A. Out of these two, we can consider any one of it as theta. Okay, na? X1 go. Yunduku theta, here he mentioned secant theta. That's why we need to take it as theta. Secant theta is given 13 by 12. Na? So any one of these two angles you can consider it as theta. So secant theta, side hypotenuse by side adjacent to theta. Find out this and write the trigonometric ratios, all the 5 trigonometric ratios. Now, is it okay now? Hello? Hello? Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now this will be 5k, is that right? Now, sine theta, 5k by 13k, 5 by 13. Cos theta, 12k by 13k, 12 by 13. Tan theta, 5k by 12k, 5 by 12. Cosecant theta, 13k by 5k, 13 by 5. Cot theta, because we have secant theta, na? Now cot theta, 12k by 5k, 12 by 5. 12k by 5k, 12 by 5. Okay, na? So like this. So try to solve the problems in 8.1 exercise and ask me the doubts tomorrow. So whatever the problems you are not able to find or get the solutions, we can discuss those problems tomorrow, and once the exercise completed, we'll go ahead with the next exercise. Okay? Your notes are with me. Thank you very much. I'll give it to you. So click on the like button and leave the class. Those who are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it fast. Click on the like button and leave the class immediately. Those who are not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.